Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, my students. Welcome to Teacher's English class. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Before we start our lesson today, let me introduce myself again. My name is Teacher Umi. Are you ready? If yes, let me start our lesson. Remember, your attendance will be considered if you submit your homework. I repeat, remember, your attendance will be considered if you submit your homework. I am just trying to give you the easiest homework. So, please do the homework. Okay, my lesson today is English Form 1 and the theme is Science and Technology. The topic is Information Transfer and I will be focusing on the skills reading and grammar, common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, learning objective. You should be able to answer information transfer questions correctly. And number 2, you should be able to identify common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, for English PT3 Paper 1, there are 5 sections in English PT3 Paper 1. Okay, and today I will be focusing on section of part 3, information transfer, that carries total 8 marks. Okay, first we need to see and understand what is information transfer. Okay, what is information transfer? Information transfer is basically you read the questions and then you find the answers from the given text. Okay, you read the questions and then you find the answers from the given text. Okay, now I will teach you some techniques or some tips in answering information transfer question. Before that, let's look at the sample question. Okay, this is the first sample questions. Okay, so for this section, you have total 8 marks. Okay, tips number 1. Read through the questions given. Try to understand the key words. Number 2. Read through the paragraph or article slowly. Underline the answers. Number 3. Your answer should be not longer than 3 marks. And number 4. Avoid spelling mistakes. So there are 4 tips to answer questions. Information transfer. Okay. First, read through the questions. First, read the question first. And then, second, read through the articles. Read the articles. And then number 3, answer should be not longer than 3 words. And number 4, avoid spelling mistakes. Okay, exercise 1. Information transfer questions. Okay. Okay. Earlier I have shown you the questions. Okay. First, you need to read the question first. Okay. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Okay. So then let's read these articles together. Good morning, everybody. I'm Zaki. Today I'm going to talk about mobile phones and their uses. Firstly, we use a mobile phone to communicate from anywhere at any time. We can make calls or send text messages. We can even use a mobile phone while traveling in a car, bus, or train. This is very useful during emergencies. Nowadays, with advanced technology, besides making calls, mobile phones have many added features such as downloaded music playlists, cameras, and games. This means users can listen to their favorite songs using their mobile phones. They can also take the photograph that they can then download into their computers for storage. Users can also play games on their mobile phones while waiting for their bus or train. Mobile phones can have negative effects as well. When using them in public areas, users must not talk at the top of their voices, which will disturb the peace of people around them. Users must not abuse its capabilities such as taking photographs of people without their permission. Children should not get carried away with playing games on their mobiles, leading them to neglect their studies. As with other wonderful new technologies, it is up to users to use their mobile phones effectively. Okay. Okay. Okay, first we read the questions earlier and then we read the articles and then we choose no more than 3 words from the text for each answer. Okay, so these are the questions. Okay, remember not uh, not more 3 words. Okay, for each answer. Okay. Users of mobile phone, the answer is makes calls and send text messages. Okay. Added features, the answers are music playlists, camera, and games. And then negative consequences of mobile phones. The answer is disturb the peace, abuse its capabilities, and neglect their studies. Okay, look at the answers must not be more than 3 words. Okay. Okay, remember one answer carries 1 mark or 1 point. Okay, exercise 2. Okay, read the text, complete the graphic organizer, choose no more than 3 words and or a number from the text for each answer. Okay, try to um, read the question first. Read the question first. Okay, these are the questions. Okay, these are the questions. Okay, in these questions, okay, you need to answer steps to control the internet addiction. People surf the internet too. Okay, and then health effects of internet addiction and examples of social media websites. Okay, these are the questions. And then, okay, these are the first step. And then the second step, you can read the articles or paragraph given. Okay. Okay. Most people use the internet to read news, find information, and play online games. The internet is also mainly used to communicate with other users using email and social media like Facebook and Instagram. However, spending too much time on the internet can cause a number of problems. Since it is a very sedentary activity, people become lazy, gain weight, and will eventually suffer from health problems. Their eyesight will also be negatively affected. They may become so used to online communication that they have this difficulty interacting face to face with people. Take the following steps to cut down on internet use. Firstly, keep a record of how many hours in a week you spend surfing the internet. If it is more than 20 hours weekly, it indicates that you are addicted to the internet. Secondly, you should set a limit on the time spent on surfing at home. Get a family member to remind you if you surf longer than the set time limit. Thirdly, plan and set time for non-internet based activities such as leisure reading, sports, and socializing. It's time you broke out of your internet addiction. Take control of your surfing before it messes up your life. Okay, so the question is steps to control your internet addiction. Okay, then you need to find the information. People surf the internet for what? Okay, and then health effects of internet addiction and examples of social media websites. Okay, remember your answer should not be more than 3 words and avoid spelling mistake. If you make spelling mistake, you will get 0. Okay. Okay, so the answer from the text given, okay, steps to control internet addiction, okay, set time limit, plan non-internet activities, okay. People surf the internet to read news, find information, okay. Health effects of internet addiction, weight gain or gain weight, and eyesight. Examples of social media website, Facebook and Instagram. Do you get me, everyone? You get all the answers correctly? Good job, everyone. Let's give a big clap to yourself. Okay, now we have done our first learning objective. Answer information transfer questions correctly. And then we move on to learning objective number 2. Identify common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, there are two types of nouns. First is common nouns, and the second one is proper nouns. What is common noun? What is common noun? In Malay, common noun is kata nama am. Okay, common noun is a word that refers to an object or a thing but is not the name of a particular person, place or thing. Examples: duck, house, singer, school. Okay, and what about proper nouns? Proper nouns in Malay is kata nama khas. What is proper noun? Proper noun is name of a particular person, place or thing. Examples: Ali, Wong, Jalan Enggang, and Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Teluk Panglima Garang. Okay, so exercise 3 for today. Okay, study the list of words below and classify them as common nouns or proper nouns. Festival, ceremony, awal Muharram, money, friends, gift, games, Chinese New Year, fireworks and lion dance. Okay, which one is common nouns? Okay, common noun is festival. Common noun in Malay, kata nama am. Okay, so which one is the common noun? Okay, festival, ceremony, money, friends, gift, games, fireworks, and lion dance. And which one is proper nouns? Okay, proper nouns, kata nama khas, awal Muharram, and Chinese New Year. Okay, so now we have done the learning objective 2. Okay, your homework for today. 1. Homework information transfer questions. And homework 2. Common and proper nouns. Okay, go to this link. Okay, and answer the questions given. Okay, remember, one answer carry 1 point. Okay, remember, look at the points stated at the right of the question in this link. Okay, if it's stated that 2 points, so you should give answers 2 answers. Okay, if you give 1 answer only, you will get 1 mark. Okay, and then you will not get full marks. Okay, try to get full marks because this is the easiest homework. Okay, just go to this link or your teacher will give this link in your WhatsApp or Telegram group. Okay, remember, okay, not more than 3 words for each answer. Okay, and then look at points stated at the right each question. Each answer is for 1 points. One answer is 1 point. Okay, that is all for today's lesson. Do you enjoy my lesson? I hope you're enjoying my lesson. Okay. To excel in information transfer, always keep on doing practice, answer worksheets and exercises. Okay, see everyone in the next lesson. Thank you. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.